Welcome to the fascinating world of keyboard shortcuts for symbols and accents. These often overlooked tools can significantly enhance your digital communication. Imagine effortlessly inserting a copyright symbol or a foreign currency sign without interrupting your workflow. This essay will be your guide to unlocking the full potential of your keyboard and mastering these valuable shortcuts. Symbols and accents are essential elements of written communication. They add clarity, precision, and visual appeal to our text. Symbols like the copyright symbol or the degree symbol convey specific meanings concisely. Accents, such as the acute accent or the umlaut, modify the pronunciation of letters and are crucial for writing in many languages. Keyboard shortcuts are key combinations that allow you to perform actions quickly and efficiently. Instead of navigating through menus or searching for specific characters, you can use shortcuts to insert symbols, accents, and even perform complex commands with a few keystrokes. This saves time and enhances productivity. Before we delve into specific shortcuts, let's ensure your operating system is configured correctly. On Windows, ensure numlock is enabled for numeric keypad shortcuts. On macOS, familiarize yourself with the Option and Command keys, crucial for accessing special characters. Section 5. The Art of Remembering Shortcuts, Tips and Tricks. Memorizing numerous shortcuts may seem daunting, but fear not. Start by learning the most frequently used ones and gradually expand your repertoire. Create mnemonics or visual associations to remember key combinations. Regular practice and consistent use will solidify these shortcuts in your muscle memory. Section 6. Currency Symbols. Mastering the Language of Money. In today's global economy, understanding and using currency symbols efficiently is crucial. Whether you're dealing with international clients, managing finances, or simply shopping online, knowing how to quickly insert these symbols can save you time and effort. Need to insert a euro or a pound sterling symbol? These symbols are essential for anyone dealing with European currencies. The euro, represented by the symbol euro, is used by many countries in the European Union. The pound sterling, symbolized by pound, is the currency of the United Kingdom. Keyboard shortcuts make it a breeze. Instead of searching for these symbols online or copying and pasting them from another document, you can use simple keyboard shortcuts to insert them directly into your text. This method is not only faster but also more efficient, especially if you frequently work with different currencies. On Windows, hold down the Alt key and type the corresponding numeric code on the numeric keypad. This method works across most applications, making it a versatile tool for anyone using a Windows operating system. For example, Alt+0128 inserts the euro symbol. This shortcut is easy to remember and can be used in various software programs including word processors, spreadsheets, and email clients. On macOS, use the Option key in combination with specific letters. This method is equally efficient and allows Mac users to quickly insert currency symbols without interrupting their workflow. For instance, Option+2 produces the euro symbol. This shortcut is particularly useful for those who frequently deal with European currencies. By mastering these shortcuts, you can enhance your productivity and ensure that your documents are accurate and professional. In addition to the euro and pound sterling, there are many other currency symbols you might need to use. For example, the Japanese yen, yen, the Chinese yuan, yen, and the US dollar, dollar, are all commonly used in international transactions. Each of these symbols has its own keyboard shortcut, which can be easily learned and applied. To make things even easier, consider keeping a reference guide of these shortcuts handy. Whether it's a printed guide or a digital document, having quick access to this information can save you time and reduce errors. Mastering the language of money through keyboard shortcuts is a valuable skill in today's digital world. It not only streamlines your work, but also ensures that you can communicate financial information accurately and efficiently. So, take the time to learn these shortcuts and incorporate them into your daily routine. Your future self will thank you. Section 7. Navigating the world of mathematical characters. Mathematical symbols, such as the plus-minus sign or the infinity symbol, are essential for scientific and technical writing. Windows users can access these symbols using alt codes. For example, Alt+241 inserts the plus-minus sign. macOS users can utilize the Option key along with specific letters or punctuation marks. Section 8. Language accents. Adding flair to your text. Accents are crucial for writing in many languages and add a touch of elegance to your text. They are not just decorative elements but essential components that convey the correct pronunciation and meaning of words. For instance, in French, the word résumé with accents means a summary, while résumé without accents means to begin again. This subtle difference can change the entire context of a sentence. On Windows, use Alt codes to insert accents. This method involves holding down the Alt key while typing a specific numeric code on the numeric keypad. It's a handy trick for those who frequently need to type accented characters but don't have a specialized keyboard. For instance, Alt plus 0233 inserts the E character. This is particularly useful for typing in languages like Spanish, French, and Portuguese, where accented characters are common. macOS users can press and hold a vowel key to reveal a menu of accent options. This feature is built into the operating system and provides a quick and intuitive way to add accents without memorizing codes. Select the desired accent by pressing its corresponding number or clicking on it. This method is not only user-friendly, but also ensures that you can easily access a wide range of accents, making your text more accurate and visually appealing. Whether you're writing a formal document, an email, or a creative piece, using accents correctly can significantly enhance the readability and professionalism of your text. So, take a moment to explore these features on your device and add that extra flair to your writing. Section 9. Punctuation and beyond. Essential symbols at your fingertips. From em dashes to ellipses, punctuation symbols enhance clarity and readability. Windows users can access these using Alt codes. For example, Alt plus 0151 inserts an em dash. macOS users can use Option key combinations. For instance, Option plus Shift plus minus produces an em dash. Section 10. Technical symbols conquering the digital frontier. Technical symbols like the trademark symbol or the registered trademark symbol are essential for legal and commercial documents. Windows users can insert these using Alt codes. For example, Alt plus 0153 inserts the trademark symbol. macOS users can use Option key combinations. Section 11. Windows Alt codes unlocking hidden characters. Windows. Alt codes provide access to a vast library of characters and symbols. Hold down the Alt key and type the 4-digit code corresponding to the desired character on the numeric keypad. For example, Alt plus 0169 inserts the copyright symbol. Section 12. Mac-specific shortcuts navigating the Apple ecosystem. macOS offers a unique set of shortcuts for accessing special characters. The Option key in combination with various letters and symbols unlocks a plethora of options. For example, Option plus G inserts the copyright symbol. Section 13. Combining characters, mastering dead keys. Dead keys, typically found on international keyboards, allow you to combine characters to create accented letters. Press the dead key for the desired accent, followed by the letter you want to accentuate. For example, pressing the acute accent dead key followed by the letter E produces E. Section 14. Software and tools, your shortcut companions. Numerous software and online tools can assist you in learning and remembering keyboard shortcuts. These tools provide interactive exercises, customizable cheat sheets, and even track your progress. Explore these resources to enhance your shortcut mastery. Section 15. Embrace efficiency, the power of keyboard mastery. Mastering keyboard shortcuts for symbols and accents empowers you with speed and efficiency in your digital endeavors. You'll navigate documents, compose emails, and create content with newfound ease and precision. Embrace the power of keyboard mastery and unlock your full potential. Section 16. Unlock your full potential resources and next steps. This essay has provided you with a comprehensive overview of keyboard shortcuts for symbols and accents. From basic shortcuts that save you time to more advanced combinations that can make your typing more efficient, you've learned a variety of techniques. These shortcuts are not just about speed, they are about enhancing your overall productivity and making your digital interactions smoother and more enjoyable. Now it's time to put this knowledge into practice. Start by incorporating a few shortcuts into your daily routine. Practice makes perfect, and the more you use these shortcuts, the more natural they will become. You might start with the ones you find most useful and gradually add more as you become comfortable. Explore the downloadable cheat sheet provided below for a handy reference guide. This cheat sheet is designed to be a quick and easy way to remind yourself of the shortcuts you've learned. Keep it nearby as you work and refer to it whenever you need a refresher. It's a great tool to help reinforce your learning and ensure you get the most out of these techniques. Continue practicing and expanding your shortcut vocabulary. Join online communities or forums where you can share tips and tricks with others. Consider taking a typing class to further hone your skills. The more you immerse yourself in the world of keyboard shortcuts, the more proficient you will become. The more you use them, the more intuitive they will become. Happy typing. Remember, mastering keyboard shortcuts is a journey, not a destination. Enjoy the process and celebrate your progress along the way. Happy typing!